In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Slack channel name. Imagine you're working on a project and realize that the channel name doesn't quite reflect your team's goals, or maybe you've decided to switch things up for clarity. Whatever the reason might be, changing a Slack channel name is simple and can help keep your communication organized and relevant. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel whose name you wish to change. You can find all your channels conveniently listed on the left-hand side of your Slack workspace. Click on the channel to open it, making sure you're focused on the right one, especially if you have multiple channels with similar purposes. Once you're in the channel, direct your attention to the name of the channel displayed prominently at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to making changes. Go ahead and click on the channel name. You'll notice a menu that pops down, giving you a few options. Here, you want to look for and select the Edit option. This will allow you to modify the channel's information as needed. As you select Edit, you'll be able to enter a new name for your channel. Consider what name best represents the purpose and content of the channel for your team. It's helpful to keep it concise yet descriptive to avoid any confusion. Once you've settled on a good name, carefully type it into the provided field. This is your channel's new identity, so make it count. After you've entered the new name and double-checked for any potential typos or errors, look for the Save Changes button. Clicking this button confirms your choice and updates the channel name, making it officially visible to all team members accessing the channel. It's as straightforward as that. Your Slack channel sports its new name. A quick but crucial reminder: to change a Slack channel name, you need to have the proper permissions. Typically, these rights are held by the person who created the channel, team administrators, or other designated individuals within your organization. If you find you're unable to make changes, it's worth reaching out to your team admin or the channel creator to request assistance. By following these steps, you'll maintain clear communication pathways, making it easier for everyone involved to know exactly where to engage for specific topics and projects. It's a small change that's part of maintaining an effective collaborative environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Slack channels efficiently.